Hey, what is up guys, my name is Talha and you're watching Gadgets Sphere. So this is the Oneplus pad. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the top 5 things you should know before you buy this tab. Let's get started. Now many people were complaining about the battery life of this tab and they were asking how well this actually works in terms of the battery life. Honestly telling you, it has a 9500 something mAh of battery and it does give you great battery backup. Like in my case, I rarely use this tab only for like studying purposes and all, and even for video editing, and I never faced any issues with the battery life of this tab. The battery is very well optimized as well. The Dimensity 9000 octa-core processor is also very good for providing great battery life. But one thing which I would like to tell you honestly, that is, in if you are using this performance mode, like as you guys can see, we have this icon here, which is the top left icon. This is the performance mode which I have enabled in this tab, which provides the maximum performance you should get. But in this mode, the battery life does degrade a bit. This is the high performance mode. In that, you're not gonna get the best battery life. So that is one thing you should definitely know. The battery life almost drops to 2-3 hours. So if in case you are getting a normal day-to-day use of 9 hours, with this performance mode you will get up to 6 to 7 hours. But then the tab is gonna work at its peak performance, and believe me, the peak performance is incredibly good. Now I have forced almost all the apps to run at 144 Hz, and you guys can see multitasking is a breeze in this tab. Let's say I just want to do multitasking. You have to swipe down from 2 fingers. Let me just swipe down. There you go. And you can open any app you want. So we have YouTube running in the right, and we have Google Play Store in the left. And in case you want to open a third app, even after these two has been opened, you can just go here, hold at the bottom, you will get the taskbar. Here also, if in case you want to open calculator and we do not have calculator here, you can just see this. We have calculator, hold it and just keep it here. There you go. Now this is a third app. Calculator is running perfectly fine. You can just keep it here. And let's just try to open 4 apps. I think 4 apps is not supported in this tab, but let's just try. Let's say I want to open Netflix. There you go. Yeah, only 3 apps are supported at a time, but still all the 3 apps will work perfectly fine, which is incredible. As you guys can see, Netflix is also working perfectly smooth. We have YouTube. We even have the Google Play Store at the bottom. Now this is an awesome thing because normally in tabs you can do multitasking, but they lag a lot. Like the Samsung tabs do not have that much of performance to do like 3 apps at once in this 2.8K display. Whereas this tab can do multitasking with a breeze, which is an awesome thing. And in case you also want to be an artist and draw things, we have the Notes app, which is also perfectly fine. So you can just create a new note, go in the stylus option, and there you go. You can have a lot of things, like we have brushes and a lot of things, a lot of colors as well. You can choose your color you want, draw anything you want without a problem. So yeah, it works perfectly fine. Now many people were asking me about the OnePlus Pad pencil, like the original pencil, or you can use the pencil 2 in it. So let me tell you, this is the Pad 1. As you guys can see, this is the OnePlus Pad 1, and I have not purchased the original OnePlus pencil because I like literally did not need it. But right now, I don't know why, it is always out of stock. So if I check the OnePlus pencil, pencil, there you go. You guys can see mostly it is out of stock. This is the OnePlus Stylo 1, which you should have bought, but most of the time it is out of stock. Like look at that, it's out of stock. But this is what is made for the OnePlus Pad 1. In case you're not getting this, you can always buy a third-party stylus and be happy with it, because yeah, mostly it works perfectly fine. You will never be like having any problem with the with the third-party stylus as well. So in case you are not getting the original stylus, you can definitely buy this one. This one is actually perfectly good. It has great feedback as well. One of my friends is using this only, the Stirif upgraded version. It costs only 800 Indian rupees. That's also fine. You can use this one as well, Kingon upgraded version. So these styluses does work perfectly fine, and you can do a lot of stuff. So if you want to do painting and a lot of other things, you have this pen up app. You can just open it and do sketching and what all you want. Like look at that. So this tab is also for those who want to do day-to-day stuff. Now let's just talk about those like people like me, we want performance, raw performance. So yeah, we have 2 games here. We have the Call of Duty, we have BGMI, and both of the games run at 90 FPS without any problem, like absolutely smooth. I have done a gaming review of the BGMI running in this tab, so in case you haven't seen it, make sure you do check it out, but it just works perfectly fine. Now in terms of the camera quality, we have a camera at the top and also at the bottom, and this camera does take good pictures. But for that you need to get a Google camera. In case you don't know how to install Google camera in the OnePlus Pad, make sure to subscribe my channel. I'll make a video very soon. But if I take an image, you guys can see in the viewfinder, it looks absolutely gorgeous. Like absolutely bad, I would say. It doesn't look great. It's very ugly. And even the camera lags. But once I have taken the image, look at that. The level of detail, the quality you get is incredibly good. It's just way better than what you see in the viewfinder. And that is the same case with the front camera as well. As you guys can see in the viewfinder, it looks awful. Everything just looks blurry, and yeah, phased out. But if I take an image, let me show you. There you go. I have taken an image and look at that. The image comes out really well. We have great skin tone, awesome color, dynamic range, everything is awesome. So yeah, Gcam does, enhance your image and everything. So in case you want a video on how to install it, make sure to subscribe my channel. I'll make a video very soon. So here we also have video recording, and it does support 4K video recording, which is an awesome thing. Because I did not expected this tab to support 4K at 60 FPS, but this one does support 4K at 60 FPS, which is incredibly awesome. The video quality is also very good in this tab. Like for a tab, it is awesome. It's actually even better than my Poco F4, I would say. So yeah, the cameras are great in this tab, but you do need a perfect Google camera working port to get the best out of this setup. Now let's just talk about the last thing, and that is the display. The display, as you already know, it's an 11.6 inch display. Very good in terms of viewing angles and everything. But one thing I wish it would be even better, and that is brightness. It does get really bright, don't get me wrong, but at times I feel like if it had been a little more bright, it would look a little more better. But now that is a very small minor complaint, I know, but still I wish if it would be a little more bright. Other than that, it's awesome. Yeah, the weight distribution is also very well done in this tab, but at times you feel like it's heavy. And the worst part about it is the bezels are actually too low at the bottom. I mean, yeah, it does look very futuristic having low bezels at the sides, but at times you feel like you're intentionally touching the screen while holding the tab. Especially in this orientation, it does feel a bit odd. And yeah, don't get me wrong, the weight distribution is perfectly fine. Like it doesn't feel very heavy, but still it is a hefty, heavy tab. The body is absolutely made out of aluminium. So as you guys can see, it's very strong, but a bit hefty as well. The speakers are my favorite part. You get stereo speakers at the bottom, at the top as well. We have two speakers, so we have a quad stereo speaker setup. Awesome audio quality, believe me, it's just incredibly awesome. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. What do you think about this tab? Tell me in the comments below. In case you're thinking of getting a case for this tab, I have a case, and this is by, I'm gonna give you the link in the description, and also gonna name the case brand here. But this case is actually perfectly fine. We also have magnet in this case, so you can just get it attached. Look at that, we have magnet in this case, perfectly fine working. And it also protects your tab in some way or the other. And I think if you're using tablets, a case is definitely unnecessary. So yeah, this is the case I use. It's perfectly fine for this tab, and yeah, it does protect it a little bit. So that's it. Hope you like it. I'll make more videos about the OnePlus Pad. Make sure to subscribe and comment down below. That's it. Hope you like it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.